do something other than fish in a can today. I think I'm going to take a page again from Static Camper Van Man Scott, and I'm going to order a secondary valve, inline valve for this, because I'm smelling propane. Don't know why or where, but anyway, so today we're really stepping out, and we're taking a can of Campbell's Chunky New England Clam Chowder. And I used to use this like as a base, and I think I have like some spices too, and then dumping in a can of baby clams, drain most of the water off of them, because if not it gets too salty. But just trying to make something other than sardines in a can. Fish in a can, fish in a can. My can opener is not that great to get a better can opener. And no, I was not trying to use my gut as a can opener. My finger's swollen. I'm not sure what I did to that. I'm quite tender. I sliced this thumb yesterday. I'm a wreck. Like, my legs are all beaten to pieces. That's what it's like living in a confined space, trying to sort through and sell off all your junk. Wonder if I can do this. That's thinking outside the box, because I didn't want to have to move the camera and go outside and drain this. I keep working on the songs for the new album, and coming up, developing the concept for it, because I have a ton of songs to pick from, some new, some old, that all have to be re-released. And I've been listening to some different artists that are really good, and they've helped me kind of realign, refocus the title and the theme of the album. And yeah. So they say not to add anything, but I'm a rebel. Well, my milk is nearly frozen. I guess I gotta bump that up by 1. Up to 2. I have it at 1 degree, and everything at the bottom is kind of a huge temperature range difference between the bottom of the cooler and the top. But I can't complain. It's working good, and it's keeping stuff cold, and so I'm pretty happy about that. Oh, ah. That's the thing about in a van, if you spill anything, you know it's going to land on something, because it doesn't have to go very far to do that. Stir more slowly and more carefully, gently, taking the time to get it right. Now, I was thinking I got some spices. I optimistically bought spices at one point. You see, like, salt and pepper. Nothing in that bin. My kitchen is still not mentally organized very good. But anyway, so we got the old favorite tahini that I put on my fish. Fishing again, fishing again. And this is crushed red pepper. And this is paprika. But did I get any cayenne pepper? Maybe I was feeling that that's all I was allowed for that day. What is that? That's that Himalayan salt that I never ever used. I was going to get in the habit of putting salt and lemon juice in my water, and I just never did. Alright, so we'll use some of these chemicals. Let's see if everything goes boom. Stove works good, but I think there's a leak somewhere, so I gotta get a valve. Try and keep everything clean. Oh, I got it on full. That would have been nice if I burnt everything to a crisp in 2 seconds flat. Happy treat day. Alright. So, what spices are you going to put in? Man, you can't get that low enough. It's spurting all over the place. Well, looks like I'm going to have to wash those blankets sooner than I thought. So, crushed red pepper. I think what I really wanted was crushed chili flakes. So yeah, the extra canned clams kind of gives it a little more meat. The little bit of milk gives it a little more mileage and dippability. And this pepper will give it a little more kick. So, paprika. I don't even remember why I bought this. What spices do you guys use? Do you make like a clam chowder, a fish chowder? It smells nice. I think what I used to buy was smoked paprika. I'm really surprised I didn't buy that. But I haven't been thinking straight for a long time, so. And I think I'm going to put some tahini in there. You really can't lose with tahini. Kind of takes it in a different direction, but. Actually, you know what? Before I heat that up, I'm going to take a minute to butter a bun. There was no like bread rolls kind of things, and these were on sale, so I got hot dog buns for dipping in the soup. It's all bread, right? It's all gonna make me feel horrible, right? I don't think me and bread get along. which is a drag because I love bread. What are you gonna have for something to eat today? This will probably be my only like real meal, probably. I'm just gonna put some butter on some hot dog buns and dip it in the chowder when I get hot. And that's that. Thankful I have food. A lot of people in this world don't even have that. Let's turn this back on. And there I was, slaving over a hot stove all day for these ungrateful grunts. Wonder what kind of food spacemen get to eat when they're in space. Dried packets of what? I wonder if people that live in the desert get a lot of sand in their food. What is the favorite meal you can get as a pilot on the plane? If a shark attacks a human accidentally, after that first bite, do they go, man, I wish that was a seal? This person's got high cholesterol. That's pretty hot. Or it looks hot. Yep, it's hot. I wonder if my plate will explode if I put that on there. Guess I should just like put it there. It's really tight in here. I think I need more spice in there. Nice change for a fish in a can. Fish in a can. And even this fish was in a can. Fish in a can. Fish in a can. I think I'm going to put a whole bunch more pepper flakes in it. I'm hungry. Fantastic. I'm going to enjoy this and get back to work. Sorting stuff in the storage unit, posting it, trying to sell it. Is that available? Is that available? Do you deliver? Is that available? Are you beaten, broken, destroyed, got nothing left? You've given up and you feel like checking out? Don't. Start thinking outside the cage.